I just washed my car today and hope it rains though, because we're in a drought. Anyway, look like it might be raining over there.